Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Let me discuss about the college management system using NodeJS and MySQL. Uh, Abstract. The college management system is to automate the existing manual system by the help of computerized equipment and full-fledged computerized software, fulfilling their requirements so that their valuable data and information can be stored for a long period with easy accessing and manipulations of the same. College management system as described above can let the error-free, secure, reliable and fast management system. It can access the user to concentrate on their activities rather than concentrating on their record keeping. Thus, it will help organizations in better utilizations of resources. The organization can maintain computerized record without redundancy and entries. College management system is internet based on web portal that aims to providing information to all level of management system for the college. The system can be used in the information management system for the college. For a given register, staff, student and administration can create that login and password, and and then staff can access the system and upload or download same information from the database. Let's move on to the flow diagram. There is three modules in the college management system: admin module, staff module and student module. The admin can access that staff and students also. There is an admin dashboard profile, can view that profile managing the staff and students, and manage the staff and manage the student, manage the courses and manage classes and manage department and setting, and then log out. Then and move on to the staff module. The staff module, there is a profile for that staff and staff dashboard to monitor the attendance, class reports, check timetable and setting, to edit that profiles and edit the contents. Let's move on to the student module. There is a the student module. There is a dashboard for students. View that profile and see that attendance and see the timetable and see that settings, to update their details and then log out. This is a screenshot for college management system. This is the admin login and staff login and student login. This is an admin login UI. This is an admin dashboard. This is a staff login, student login. This is a student dashboard. This is the manage staff dashboard. Admin settings, add new courses, add new staffers. This is the output for college management system. This is the home page. Please click enter. Move on to that login page. In login page, there is a three module: admin module, staff module and student module. First, I click that admin module. Please log in that admin. Please move on to the register page. First register it, and then after please already I registered, so I log in that admin page. This is the admin UI. This is the overall dashboard for admin. This is that admin profile page. Edit that profile also. View the details, student details. This is the student details. View the staff details. View the department details. This is the department details. View the course details. This is the course details. Add that staff. This is the staff new admin page. Manage the students. add the students and modify the students also. See that all students. This is the manage course dashboard. Add new courses and add it. Manage the staff, add the staff and staff setting. Manage the students, add new students, student settings. Manage the courses, add new courses and manage course settings. Manage the classes, add new classes, class settings. Manage the department, add new department and pass department setting, and then setting. Move on to the setting, information setting and password setting, and then after logout, move on to that staff page. This is a staff page. First of all, I'll log in the staff. This is the staff dashboard profile. This is the staff profiles dashboard. Mark attendance, more call presence or more call absence. Manually also to mark attendance for each students. Mark attendance and then see the class report. Check the class reports. Check the timetable. On to the settings. And then log out. This is the student's login page. Then this is the student dashboard. That's in profile. Student's profile. Add the student details. This is the attendance page. View the attendance. See the attendance. This is the timetable page for each students related to the classes. This is the chat app for college management system. Enter the name, enter the subject, and enter the semester and select the department. Enter some text, mention the mention or save the data, and to view the data in text format, I given a name for our chat app. This is the center, so I given a name John and given some text, send, and this is the receiver and given some text. This is the receiver. View in that same container page and upload image. Select multiple image. View in holder. Thank you.